Hello everyone and welcome back to NotesNaka. In this video we're going to talk about opening and closing. So what is opening? Opening is basically used to smooth the outer contours and break narrow connections. So for a better understanding, suppose we have something like a triangle and this is our A and this circle is our B, that is our structuring element. So if we put our structuring element inside the triangle all over it, then it will basically transform our image into something like this. It has smoothened the contours, outer contours, and it has break any narrow connections like these. So this is what opening is used for. It is mathematically represented like this. So basically first you do erosion of A and B and then dilation with B. So this was opening, and closing is also very similar. What closing does, it smooths the outer contour. It also smooths the outer contour. It fuses or connects narrow connections and it removes small holes and gaps. So if this is our image and this is our structuring element, if we put it on the boundaries on the entire image, then it smooths the outer contour. So these are smoothened and it fuses and connects narrow connection, but these will not really be smoothened in closing. So that is something to note. It smooths the outer contour and it fuses also, and it removes the small gaps and holes. This is the mathematical representation of closing. A dot B will be A, first we will apply erosion and then dilation with B. Now for a better understanding, I have an example over here. So suppose this is our image and we have to apply opening and closing. So first let's see opening. For opening we were doing erosion first. So if we erode this image, what will happen? We get something like this. And after applying dilation, it will smooth the outer contour and will get something like this. So this is opening. On the same image, if we try to do closing, then what happens? First we apply dilation. So during dilation we have something like this, and after applying erosion, then first we had dilation and then erosion with B. So we will get something like this. So this is the difference that we get in opening and closing. I hope this was a pretty good explanation. If you liked our video, then please give us a thumbs up. Also subscribe to our channel and share it with all your friends who might need these lectures. Thank you for watching and take care. Bye bye.